Model, 64-plate CITROEN NEMO diesel 1.3 HDi enterprise low mileage. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 84,598. Engine, 1,248 cc DM5. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Engine runs with a knock, will need repairing or replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Nice clean van worth getting this repaired and back on the road. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Features, parking sensors, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £3,695. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call